Another common question I get asked is, how does it work switching from schools to medical after your CF? So if that is your goal, we have tons of supports to help you through that transition. First of all, we have a medical reimbursement program where you can choose out of one of 4 certification options. There's MBS-IMP, fees, LSBT Loud, as well as a dementia certification. So that will obviously boost your resume as well as your skill sets. Additionally, we have an unlimited CEU platform with a built-in medical curriculum that you can take at your own pace throughout your clinical fellowship to keep your skills fresh. And finally, once you do make that transition from schools to your first placement in medical, we'll actually match you with a job-alike mentor, one of our experienced travelers who has SLP experience in the setting you're going into, so you have someone to ask all those questions to along the way.